Revolutionizing solar energy, the synergy of I and IoT in solar panel systems. As the world embraces sustainable solutions, the marriage of artificial intelligence, I, and Internet of Things, IoT, technology with solar panel systems emerges as a game-changing phenomenon. Solar energy, a clean and renewable source, where the integration of I and IoT promises to unlock efficiency, reliability, and cost-effectiveness in harnessing the power of the sun. Solar energy, a glimpse of a green future. Solar energy, harnessed through photovoltaic (PV) cells installed on solar panels, is a beacon of hope for a greener tomorrow. These panels, often mounted on rooftops or open fields, convert sunlight into electricity, offering a sustainable alternative to non-renewable energy sources. The advantages are manifold: reduced dependence on fossil fuels, minimized carbon emissions, cost savings, reliable power supply, enhanced energy security, job creation, and a sustainable future. Technology introduces a new era of solar energy management, offering real-time insights and remote control. Imagine monitoring individual solar panels within a farm, adjusting parameters and predicting maintenance needs. IoT sensors provide granular real-time data, from energy output to temperature and tilt angle, enabling swift identification and correction of issues. This unprecedented level of control translates to optimized performance, increased revenue, and reduced operational costs. Illuminating the path to efficiency. Artificial intelligence complements IoT's capabilities by analyzing vast amounts of data to make informed decisions. I's predictive algorithms assess historical and real-time information, optimizing solar energy generation. One critical challenge addressed by I is weather variability, ensuring a stable power supply from solar and wind sources. By forecasting capacity levels and grid demand, I aids in grid stability and efficient energy distribution. Maximizing renewable potential. Convergence of I and IoT elevates solar energy's potential, making it a cornerstone of a sustainable future. Solar farms become intelligent ecosystems, where each panel contributes efficiently to overall energy output. Energy providers and consumers alike benefit from reduced costs, increased reliability, and decreased environmental impact. Conclusion: in this era of climate consciousness, I and IoT empower solar panel systems, propelling us towards a renewable-powered future. The marriage of technology and sustainability revolutionizes energy generation, offering a cleaner, more efficient, and reliable source of power. As I and IoT continue to evolve, their role in optimizing solar energy becomes even more promising, lighting the way to a brighter and greener world.